In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in HubSpot. We'll start on the HubSpot home screen, then open the CRM and click Deals. For this walkthrough, we'll add a new deal, though you can attach a quote to an existing one if you already have it. Choose Create New, and give your deal a clear, descriptive name so your team can recognize it at a glance. If your team uses naming conventions, include the company and project to keep things searchable. Pick the correct sales pipeline so forecasts and automation line up with your process. Enter the expected amount based on what you plan to quote. You can refine this later as your pricing firms up. Set a realistic close date to help reporting and keep your pipeline clean. For deal type, choose New Business in this example, and set the priority to High to flag urgency and focus. Next, associate the right contact so all emails, calls, and the upcoming quote stay linked to the same record. If there are multiple stakeholders, start with the primary decision maker. You can add others later. Now add a line item. A line item is the specific product or service you're selling, including its price, quantity, and billing terms. Select the appropriate item. Here we'll choose Web Design, and click Create to add it to the deal. You can adjust quantity, term, or discounts here to match the offer you're preparing. Inside the deal, click Create Quote, then confirm by selecting Create Quote again. A quote is the formal offer you'll share with your buyer. It summarizes what they're getting, how much it costs, and the terms they'll accept. If you're prompted to choose a template, pick the one that matches your brand guidelines. Fill in the seller name. This identifies who is issuing the quote and ensures the recipient knows their point of contact. It also supports any internal approvals. Add the seller company as well. This is the legal entity behind the offer, which controls the branding and details that appear on the document. Click the company name and complete the company information so addresses, branding, and other key details populate correctly on the final quote. When everything looks right, click Save. From here, click Share to generate the shareable version. Choose Send Quote Email to deliver it directly to your contact's inbox with the secure link. Add a short, clear message and double-check item descriptions, quantities, totals, and expiration date so the buyer has everything they need to approve without back and forth. That's it. Your quote is created, saved to the deal, and on its way to the client. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more.